Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best cash app saving hacks. So let's quickly dive into it. If you want to grow your money faster on Cash App, start by enabling automatic deposit into your Cash App balance or cash card account. Set a fixed amount weekly or monthly so you are saving consistently without thinking about it. Use Cash App Post at partner store to get instant discount, which effectively increase your savings every time you spend. Another smart move is to round up payment if available, or manually transfer small amount after each purchase to your Cash App balance. Even if it is $1 to $5 adds up quickly. Pair this with monitoring your activities via notification to avoid unnecessary spending. If this helps, like the video, subscribe for more quick money tips, and comment which hack you will try first. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more.